So you've probably gathered that I've been a bit fed up with this car. It's been horrendous in all of the areas that we've discussed before. Finally got it to a point where I've agreed with somebody that's going to actually do some welding for me. Can you see all the holes everywhere? Absolutely horrendous. Everywhere you look, it's just rust, rust, rust. So this guy's a retired guy. He does gas welding. He's agreed to take on the car and take on the work. Everywhere you look, it's all he wants removing and redoing. Now fortunately, the floor in the front of the car actually seems in reasonable condition. So that's one good thing. The water that's there is just out of the heater because I've taken all the heater pipes off. All the gear cables, etc., all been removed, ready for relocating. Sure, this car likes winding me up because I found some money, £1. Can't even spend the damn thing. And that's an update which has been well overdue.